Got a new carb from FridayParts. Okay guys, next day. Okay, I put the carburetor on there. I had to buy this separately because the other one, original one, was longer and I had spliced it right there when it was on the 80 Z28. So anyway, got that there, got a new line from there. Now it goes down to the fuel pump, and then this comes out to the tank, which we're fixing to do the line from the tank. I think these are the clips for the fuel line. The brake lines are on the driver's side going back, and the fuel line's on the passenger side. So I think that's where it comes up. We'll find out here in a minute. And mount and everything from that and put it on here. This attaches to the carb here, then this attaches to a bracket. It goes to the carburetor, and then this goes down the gas pedal. All the fuel systems connected